can SEO be replaced with AI?
Mhm. My little soapbox says no. AI is there as a tool to help people who are creating content or who are refining content, to give them ideas about how to make things better or how to include more topics. But AI is not necessarily going to create the in-depth content that you might need for a search engine. And SEO is about refining things, and after you get results, making things better. And I don't think AI is at a place where it can impact what you've already created and make it better. I think that's a human activity.